It's a new 2019 Ford Super Duty F-250 single rear wheel. With a powerful engine and unbelievable towing capacity, it has a lot of pickup. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Turbo V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, integrated navigation system, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, metallic paint, firm suspension, rear parking sensors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Car and Driver remarks the full-size truck world remains wedded to the idea that bigger is better and that too much power will never be enough. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.